Solana is going to $150 and I'm going to be explaining why and how it's going to get there. Currently it's bouncing off the $100 mark, which we have been looking at for quite a while now. We'll also be going over the overall market and at the moment it's looking a bit down with most of the altcoins. Solana up by 4.6%, Say up by 13%, and a lot of these meme coins in Say have been going pretty insane, and of course Injective as well. Now before I do go over Solana in today's video, if you want to be a part of the Degen Alpha Plays community, the private group where I go over a lot of these micro cap Injective Solana meme coins that do 2 to 10x, and you can make some quick X's on a lot of these calls that I do make. And one of the recent calls that I went over, Teams, which actually did a 5x ever since I called it. And those of you guys who actually got into Teams, you'd be up by 5x or even getting out at 3x. I believe I got out at 3x. And yeah, ever since I called it, as you can see, I put the screenshot, Teams flying since my call. So yeah, if you do want to take part in this private group, then make sure to click the link in the description down below. But yeah, if we're actually having a look at the overall market, I've just clicked back on it and it seems like a little meme coin or whatnot has gone up by 500% just as I'm recording this video, which is insane. So I guess you guys could just have a look at this after this video. But with Solana, it's currently at $108 and we're looking at it to retest these levels for it to break right at around this area. If it does break this, then it's going to test the local high, which is around $126, and it's going to retest that basically. And of course with BTC, it seems to be pumping on the new month. And of course I've got to mention Happy New Year, guys, to all of you guys who are tuning in, and those of you guys who obviously kept up with my videos in the past year. I really do appreciate it. But yeah, in the new month it's printing green, but I'm sure you guys know when Bitcoin starts to print green, it's more of like a fugazi sort of candle. But with this one, it looks like it wants to retest this 44k resistance line, and if it does that, then we may see Solana actually test the its local high of $126. But at the moment, Solana is looking really strong at this $100 mark. It doesn't seem to want to break it. Holders do not want to sell Solana at this current moment. And we're not really seeing any major dips, which means people are comfortable in not selling and holding Solana, right? People are also comfortable in buying back Solana at around these areas. And as you can see, it's pumping, which means, people want to buy in this area, right? There's some demand in this area for Solana, which means there will also be demand in these areas and these areas. So if it does seem to jump past $120, then we might possibly see some FOMO going on in those areas. But yeah, Solana currently sitting at 5, and it kind of went below BNB. It was above it in terms of market cap, but BNB surpassed it because of the market. People are taking out from meme coins and whatnot, and altcoins, selling off their altcoins, putting it back into BNB on the buying a smart chain and stuff when they're trading tokens on there. But with market cap of Solana, it's sitting really strong at 46 billion market cap. I believe the other day, I'm not quite sure, but it was somewhere thereabouts. But of course, it flipped XRP the other day, which was insane, and it's sitting over 11 billion market cap more than XRP, which is insane. So the way it's grown in this market is incredible, right? And with Solana, right, it's gone up by over 1,200%, right? 1,200%, and we're not really seeing a major sell-off at the moment, which means a lot of people are comfortable in holding Solana at this moment in time, which kind of just indicates to me that we may potentially see another leg up for Solana and then a drop down. So in my opinion, if we're having a look at Solana, we may potentially see the $140 to $150 mark and then straight back down. I don't think we're going to see any more continuation from Solana after we reach these levels, but those are the levels that I am currently looking at. But we will, of course, see some sort of test on Solana's sort of local high. That's for certain in my opinion. We may definitely see Solana actually retest these highs, right? That's for sure. And from there on, we may actually see Solana break it or either test this resistance and come straight back down. But yeah, those are the levels that I am currently looking at. But yeah, it's just a short little video for today. Like I said, if you want to join the Discord where I go over a lot of this micro cap, and I will be going over some of these coins on my YouTube videos too before they actually start to boom. But the thing is with these micro caps, right, they're quick entries, so it's hard to make videos on it. So if you guys do want to get early into these micro caps and want to join on in the community and make a couple of X's and move on to the next coin and make a couple of X's on there, then make sure to actually click the link down below in the description where you guys can actually find my Patreon for the Discord group. But yeah, that's about it for today's video. It's been Cryptoverse, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.